Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Beef Agri has announced Jose Meza as Iowa District Sales Manager.
Groundbreaking ceremony for the Buehler Energy and Manufacturing Technology Center.
Bulk grain storage and handling system and protein blending system used in Osaka.
Feature on the Holmer rice mill machine.
Agri-Process Innovations and Technologies, APIT, is the world's best paddy process specialist.
US Wheat Associates Price Report.
Although overall agricultural shipments increased, rice exports declined by 14%.
Caption news on installation of a new shortcut line in India at Rakesh Masala PVT Ltd.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Pull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.